Steps to delete your H&R Block account online. Are you still considering deleting your H&R Block account and wondering how to proceed? While H&R Block does not currently support any option to delete your account, you can still take steps to manage your account information effectively. In this guide, we'll explore the process of managing your H&R Block account online, including options for updating your information and reaching customer support. So let's dive in. Access the following link that says H&R Block and how do I delete my account. Once on the web page, read through the information provided to understand the options available for managing your H&R Block account. If you are looking to delete your account or removing your personal information, note that H&R Block does not currently offer any option for account deletion. To update your account information such as email address, mailing address or contact details, log into your H&R Block account online, then navigate to your account settings or profile. If you have specified concerns or inquiries about your account, then you can consider reaching out to H&R Block's customer support team for assistance. Utilize the source functionality on the support website to find answers to common questions or issues related to managing your H&R Block account. If you are unable to find the information you need online, consider contacting H&R Block's customer support for personalized assistance. And this was everything you needed to know about deleting your H&R Block account. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.